Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. We again use black color and now we draw B. Kids, now we draw C. The next one is D. Kids, now we draw the letter of E. We again use black color. Now we draw F. And the next one is G. G for got. Kids, now we use blue color. Blue color. Now we draw the letter of H. H for hand. Now we draw I. We again use blue color and now we draw J. The next one is K. Kids, now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. Now we use yellow color. Now we draw the letter of O. O for octopus. Kids, now we draw P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we draw R. R for rice. The next one is S. S for snake. Kids, now we draw T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we use red color. Now we use red color and draw the letter of V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. Kids, now we draw X. The next one is Y. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.